Be 2 weeks ready. Unit 1. Follow along on Toolkit page 4.
Unit 1, Preparing to Prepare. A disaster can happen anywhere at any time. Think about how prepared you'd be if an earthquake happened and your household had to survive weeks without running water, working toilets, and functioning appliances. In this section, you'll record your thoughts for later use. Quick start steps. Why journaling is important. Different ways to journal. Practice. Considerations. Why journaling is important. Journaling is a way to keep records of things, what you have and consume, what you've done and experienced, and how you feel about what's happening or has happened in your life. Here are some benefits of keeping a journal for your preparedness journey. Stay on track. Writing down what you do regularly helps you stick to your goals. Face fears. If you write down what scares you, it's easier to get help and feel less afraid. Overcome procrastination. If you write down small tasks, you're more likely to finish them quickly. Learn from emergencies. By writing about how you handle emergencies, you can get better at dealing with them. Celebrate progress. Looking back at your journal lets you see how far you've come and feel proud of your achievements. Different ways to journal. Journals take many forms, and it's important to find one that works for you. When you find what works best, you're more likely to stick with it. Here are some different ways to record your thoughts and feelings. Notebook and pen. Word document on a computer. Voice app on your phone. Video recording on your phone. Practice. Feeling safe is especially challenging during uncertain times, especially after a disaster when your normal daily living has been significantly interrupted. Being prepared can help you feel more at ease and calmer inside. Any disaster can be scary and difficult. You're taking great steps on your preparedness journey, so take a few moments to write down some advice and kind words for yourself in the future. Considerations. If you have kids, suggest they make their own journals too. This can be a healthy, lifelong habit, and decorating a journal can be fun for all ages.